Today we talk about how can you fix this problem you have on your Wallapop. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here can you looking for Wallapop app, or just click on search, you search for it. So you add it here, then you click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then you search for Wallapop, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.